Girls.
Ow.
Libby, wake up.
So tired.
Time for breakfast before daycare and school.
Okay.
Let me go get your breakfast. Go set the table, girls.
Okay, Mom. Whatever, Mom. Gotta go get the chairs. Yeah. Libby, go get your chair. Okay. Let's go get our batteries. My car drips on the grid. Maybe you, Papa. So sit down. Let me sit down. Oh, okay. Let me get my battery. Mom, is breakfast almost ready?
Almost, girls. What do you guys want?
I want nanas. I want blueberry pancakes.
Coming right on up. Nanas and blueberry pancakes. Eat up, girls.
Good pancakes.
Ashylnn, a little faster, please.
Okay.
You're still not done, honey? Let me feed you. Here, Ashylnn, let Mommy feed you. Libby, please clear your dishes.
Okay, Mom.
Thank you, Libby. You are now dismissed. You can go get dressed.
Okay.
Put the dishes in the dishwasher.
That's my favorite dresses wash. Okay, my favorite dresses wash. I'm done getting dressed. Pink diaper cover. There. Pink pony shirt. I'm done. Peep-boo.
Time to dress baby because she's coming with to drop you guys off.
Okay.
Ashylnn, go get me some clothes for her.
Ma'am. Silly baby.
Go get the stroller.
Okay. I'm here, Mom.
Thank you, sweetie. Come on, Ashylnn, let's get you in. Come on, Libby. Time to go to daycare. Right together. Bye, girls. Yep. Oh, the girl's backpack. I knew Ashylnn was forgetting something. Hello, is Miss Black? Yes, this is her. Here's Ashlynn's backpack. Oh, thank you. She was missing that. You're welcome. Tell her I love her. Will do. There, Ashylnn.
Thank you.
I'm for recess, class.
Come on, sissy. Let's go. Wanna play with us, Maddy? Sure. Let's go explore. Wow, it's bright out here. Wanna play with us? No, me and Emma are hanging out. Suit yourselves. Hold on, I need to get something.
Ashylnn, your sister's gonna have to stay in.
What's that?
You a toy?
Let's play doll with you. What's that? Let's go see. What's that? Hi, I'm a Hatchimal. What's your name? I'm Ashylnn. I'm Maddy, and these are our babies. Can I play? Sure. Baby, come look. What is it? Stay right there. It's a hatcher. What? What? Where is it? You better not be playing a prank on me. I was serious. Look. It was just right there. Is she lying, Maddie? No, I saw it too. We both saw it. Yeah. See, look, not there. I don't know what happened.
Will Libby and Maddie please come to the office? You guys are going home for the day.
Oh, no. Yes. Bye. Bye, Emma. Bye, Maddie. Bye, Emma. Mommy, guess what? I saw a hatchimer today.
A hatch or what?
Exactly, Mom. Exactly.
Are you feeling okay?
I'm fine, and I'm not lying. Ask Maddie.
Honey, we don't have time for that. Did you get enough sleep? Did you take your nap?
I'm fine. I just had to prove it.
Stay tuned for part 2.